Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. We do not know who put it there. Protesters react to what they saw at the entrance of Abuja House. Now, remember, say Abuja House, now the place where they claim, say, on a dead President Muhammadu Buhari there. Okay, today inside this segment we will talk about those people when be the protesters. That is the people when they lead the protesters in London. Somebody like Oreno Omukri, and the protest when in the stage, and the reason why in the stage the protest, and the man when they protest for, when they call their presidents Muhammadu Buhari. So now these people what we will talk about in this particular segment. But before we begin move forward into the segment, I want to take this little opportunity thank all of them when they watch Funky D Star TV worldwide. And also for those of you when never subscribed before, if today now the first time when you come across my video, or you did watch before and you never subscribe to my channel, please do follow us, subscribe. In other words, join Funky D's crew. Right? Yes, the news now about what they see in Abuja House where Buhari day. I don't tell on before. The first time when we hear say Buhari, they go London. See, it be like say APC, they don't concoct another fake move for Ona Buhari just to shake Nigeria, just to let people know say Buhari still deal and in they go hospital. Whereas this person where they call their Buhari, una know now how they manipulate, how do they do their photoshopping stuff. Una know now say they get the masters in Aso Rock when they work for them, somebody like Femi Adesina. So it be like say they don't concoct another move to deceive Nigerian people. Number one, to make Nigerian people know say Buhari still there alive, which is false, which is totally false. Buhari is dead since 2017. Number two, to make Nigerian people feel say the man still get that sickness before in they go London. The man could be the same person. That is, we don't tell us say na shadow government where they run in Nigeria. The same person where they claim say na their Buhari when they use, they deceive 200 million Nigerian people, could be still be in Aso Rock. Because a lot of people when go this the Abuja house, they claim say they not see anybody. But Omukri himself, they claim say they protested yesterday, and because of that protest, I not make the man come out. Let me tell you something. Omukri no be freedom fighter. Omukri na corrupt politician. Omukri is out to deceive 200 million Nigerian people again, and don't think say Omukri they fight for you. That man they fight for his pocket, and also in the fight for his boss, and also in the fight for his own political party. When don't deceive 200 million Nigerian people for in total 16 years of their reign in Aso Rock. Omukri they work for PDP. Omukri they work for Atiku Abubakar. Omukri they work for Goodluck Jonathan. Omukri not be freedom fighter. Omukri is a fake man. Omukri is a corrupt man. Anybody when don't work in any corrupt government of Nigeria, na corrupt person. Anybody when they work for APC and PDP, na corrupt person. So don't be deceived because of Omukri's game. Don't be deceived. Anybody when they fight for Biafra, or anybody when they fight for Oduduwa Republic, Don't fall for their trap. They are all the same people. They are out there to destroy you, to destroy your future, to destroy your children's future, to destroy your family's future completely. They don't tell us, say, them be like circle of dawn. Now the same place, all of them. Now the same place where they rotate the power. In that fraudulent one Nigeria. The same people in APC, the same people in PDP. So don't let Omukri to deceive you with his fake protests. In other words, ladies and gentlemen, if una dey protest, like those people when they in Nigeria where they protest before, that they say they will come out, they protest one day, and not they talk, see, the protest, one they protest bad. Not be bad thing. But a protest will not last for 15 days, will not last for 10 days, will not last for 20 or 30 days, let's say 1 month, that one not be protest. Nobody will hear your voice. If you come out to protest today, you go inside your house, maybe because army or police come intimidate you, that one is not a protest. A protest supposed to last days, months, weeks, so that people go listen to you. But if you protest today, protest tomorrow, you go sit down. They will say, don't mind them. These people, all of them are fulefu. We go continue to enslave them. Because those politicians, when if you say they don't know what that they do, they're smart. They see you today, you come out, you protest. Tomorrow they not see you in the street. Next tomorrow they not see you. A week they not see you. Forget. But when they continue to see you week by week, days by days, in a 1 month, 2 months, forget. Everything will change. The table go unravel everywhere. They will not say, yes, so these people, they're serious. Now that time, the words will hear from all of them. So, ladies and gentlemen, back to Omukri and APC and PDP. Remember, say, Olusegun Obasanjo don't come through a PDP, People's Democratic Party, deceive Nigerian people. After that one don't rule finish, he tear his own membership card, telling Nigerian people say, he not be politician again. The same kind of talk when Amaechi they try talk. I guess say Chibuike Amaechi they copy Olusegun Obasanjo. That is why sometimes Chibuike Amaechi will come tell you say, we don't need money, I not like money, I not be politician, I not be this, I not be the same thing. So Obasanjo don't call deceive 200 million Nigerian people with the same Atiku Abubakar will come out in 2015, come out in 2019 to fight President Muhammadu Buhari. Atiku Abubakar still with his Obasanjo, they took our 16 billion meant for electricity, $16 billion. Those ones, that one are token when they catch them. That one are token when they catch these people. Say they take from our coffer. Everybody know how much money Olusegun Obasanjo, Atiku Abubakar loot Nigerian people. The same Atiku Abubakar now him Oreno Omukri, they come, they fight for. The same people, the same clique, Goodluck Jonathan dey inside the PDP. Goodluck Jonathan come rule finish, thief all our money at the same time, with his wife at the same time, nothing happened. And when be their ace. After they don't thief money finish, till Nigerian people money finish. Now, right now, Omukari want to come back again, or Omukri want to come back again to deceive you. Like say in the fight for you or in the field for you. I can tell you categorically, Rhino Omukri, they fight for his pocket, they fight for Atiku Abubakar, they fight for Goodluck Jonathan, they fight for PDP to come back in power. People they talk about disintegration. If Rhino Omukari get ball, as he claim say Buhari na criminal and wife na criminal, say they're not problem because we don't see the video where they take the chant within the chant. I want to ask Rhino Omukari, the money when your boss when be Goodluck Jonathan don't loot from Nigerian people, the one when his own wife when be Patience Jonathan, all of them don't loot, plus you when be Rhino Omukari, Atiku Abubakar, all of them are there. Who don't probe you? For the thief one, I don't thief Nigerian people. For the robbery one, I don't rob Nigerian people. For the oppression one, I don't oppress Nigerian people. During the 16 years reign of PDP in that country, waiting on our brain come give Nigerian people. Waiting be the change when on our brain come Nigeria there. If they pay Rhino Mukri and PDP people because power don't slip for their hands. Now then come teach APC people how to rob Nigerian people blind. Now, you get how a student, they master things. I mean, a student, they know past his master. Sometimes. Now, in the case of this APC and PDP, they say, PDP teach APC how to rob Nigerian people blind. Remember, say PDP. Remember what we take know them. Share the money. PDP share the money. Ghana must go. Now they carry. Then this. And they still continue to carry, even though say they're not there into power. Because they know how they manipulate 200 million Nigerian people. Now, nobody probe APC. Nobody probe PDP. All these people who don't mention their names when we Rhino men, Omukri men, when PDP people, nobody probe them, including Rhino Omukri. So if you work for a corrupt government, a corrupt public officer in that country, when be Nigeria, you are also a corrupt man. That is why we say Rhino also is a corrupt man, corrupt PDP politicians. Don't Rhino Mukri matter. Don't allow that man talk to move you, because in our platform here, Rhino is out of points. PDP out of points. APC out of points. Now these people now then destroy Nigeria. Now PDP teach APC how to rob. APC come master pass them. Now in the pin Rhino Mukri say food not they come to their table anymore. Now in their own in the work so that they will come back to power. But I can categorically tell you, Rhino Mukri, whatever you call yourself, say PDP is bygone. APC is bygone in that Nigeria. Nigeria itself is bygone. That is the Babylon. We don't tell them, I say Babylon don't fall. We don't see waiting 17 states in southern part of Nigeria come out yesterday to support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, and Asari Dokubo. That is to show you, say, everything, every lesson when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they teach people, it sink into their brain. That is to show you, say, one Nigeria is bygone. It's a dumb story. So Rhino Omukri is a fake man staging a fake protest for a fake president when don't die. All of them are fake people. Rhino Omukri no come and counter, you say no say Buhari don't die. Goodluck Jonathan no come and counter, you say no say Buhari don't die. The other guy when be Bola Ashawaju Bola Tinubu no come and counter, you say Buhari don't die. R5 when they involve, when Buhari die, all of them enter Dubai, go bury Buhari in a shallow grave. R5 na APC man. All those people when I still mention, some of them are PDP and APC. All of them know say Buhari don't die. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigerian people now our head that they use, but this time around we say no to APC, no to Rhino Mukri, no to Goodluck Jonathan, no to Obasanjo, no to any political party in that country. What we stand for is disintegration. Full stop. Gentlemen, maybe we take a look. Read waiting they tell us about where Rhino Mukri go protest. Then they tell us say he get some pot when they see outside of where Ona Buhari go stay in Abuja. We don't tell us say Buhari don't die. The man when they say he dey London in Abuja house, the man not come there. When be the person when they claim say na Buhari. So Nigeria is running a 100% shadow government. Don't let anyone to deceive you. We do not know who put it there. Protesters react to what they saw at the entrance of Abuja House in London. Some Nigerians in London have started a protest tag harass Buhari out of London. Since yesterday, after President Muhammadu Buhari disclosed that he was traveling to the United Kingdom for his routine medical treatment, some Nigerians have been criticizing the move. This set of people claim that the president should be able to receive his medical treatment in the hospital in Nigeria rather than traveling to a foreign country. Listen, everything about politics is lies. All these Nigerian politicians, they are all liars. Both, all of them. We are tired of calling their names. They are all liars. This same their Buhari when don't die. Don't tell them say you no go any medical checkup again outside the country. We don't tell them say all this money we on they loot now token out of it on our take build hospital. When if president get cough or get headache or go get fever, he go just go there. You know, if not to employ Oyibo people come Nigeria, come they walk inside the hospital when on a build on a fit call a presidential hospital. Una go invite them. So far the man, they, you know, if he's sick, he no go travel, go anywhere, go take treatment. They refused everything. They refused. Now so they still refused Mazi Nnamdi Kanu proposal many years. Now all of them they regret their action. Now so their former chief of staff, when the former de facto president of Nigeria, Abba Kyari, now so they take die, where they take run up and down, they go do medical treatment. When they say na coronavirus kill that one. Evil men na so that they die through way. Buhari don't die, una cover am. The other one die. When even die, another person when them bury put for ground. You see blood spread everywhere in the coffin. The movement started online, but when the likes of Reno Omukri, Omoyele Sowore got the address of Abuja House in London, where the president lodged, they decided to storm the building to protest against the president. Someone like Reno Omukri that was not in London had to book a flight to London just to stage the protest demanding the president leave the country, just like they planned. The protest started yesterday and dozens of people stormed the building demanding for the president to return back to Nigeria for his treatment. According to Reno Omukri, the police tried to stop them on order of Buhari's people, but they talked to them and they allowed them. Reno Omukri stated that they were able to stop the president from stepping out of the building. You see, I am telling you categorically, the whole Buhari traveling to abroad is a concocted story. Buhari, what do they call? Don't die, number one. The person, when be the impostor, whether they use that person still dey inside Asoro. They not go anywhere. They just want to use this news to shake Nigerian people or to deceive Nigerian people. Again, say, Buhari, they sick. Buhari, they go treatment. That same treatment where he don't go 2015, 2014, he won't go back again. That's how they work. So, we not feel like to us again. The same man, when they talk now, say, Buhari don't die. That's the funniest thing about the whole game. That's why they tell us say, Reno Omukri go tell us say, he not know say Buhari don't die. Abi Omoyele Sowore not know say Buhari don't die. So why are these people deceiving 200 million Nigerian people? When the news, the videos, everything, they everywhere. Many people don't challenge them. They not feel nobody. No APC, PDP, or any political party in Nigeria dare cross the challenge when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu challenged them. The only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu challenged them. Plenty people. We not see APC come out channel television for the challenge. We not see any of them. Because those people, when they throw the challenge, they are very ready for these liars. When the APC and PDP people. Which protest when they protest when not make sense. So make una go right now, Omukri, board your flight back to America. Omoyele Sowore, board your flight back to Nigeria. All of una know say Buhari don't die. This time not be time whether they play again. No. We need Biafra. Biafra is what we need. We need Oduduwa. Oduduwa also is what we need. If Reno Omukri want to continue with one Nigeria, move down to the northern Sahel so that you and them will do on one Nigeria there. So that you and the Boko Haram will go to Quanta for there. Stop deceiving Nigerian people. Omoyele Sowore, stop deceiving Nigerian people. All of them know say Buhari don't die. We continue. During the protest, some protesters spotted a sacrifice like boil at the entrance of the building when someone interviewed one of the protesters. The man said, when we are here, somebody brought it, but we do not know the meaning. We do not know the interpretation. The man said one of the protesters dropped the ball at the spot some minutes ago, but they do not know what it means. The picture of the so-called boy where they talk, they hear. So, ladies and gentlemen, these people, they are deceivers. Don't let anybody to deceive you. Don't let anyone to deceive you. All those people, when they clamor for one Nigeria, they are evil people. They don't want your progress. They only want your downfall. They don't want you to be free from this northern Janjaweed people. They don't want you to be free from this northern oligarchy. In as far as one Nigeria is concerned, the North will continue to dominate. The North will continue to destroy you, destroy your life, destroy your one Nigeria, and destroy everything about your future. One Nigeria is a fraud. Ladies and gentlemen, I say, if you know, say you never subscribed to Funky D's channel before, please do so right now, so that you could get our Obenga videos 247. One love, everybody, and make sure say this video read Rhino Omokri, make him board and flight back to America where in they are not good people. All of them are corrupt entities. I know they talk about Omo Elisha Were, say Omo Elisha Were corrupt. No, I never seen them any time when they talk anything about Omo Elisha Were being corrupt. No, but Omo Elisha Were talking about one Nigeria when he knows a fraud is something I am against, and everybody should be against that. Let us support Biafra and Oduduwa nation. Bye everybody. See you guys next time.